I'm not a morning person. Somehow I ended up signing up for a conference that starts at 9:30, but it's in Chicago. And I have to catch the train and then the metro and then find my way to the conference. So come with me. Super windy here today. There's a wind advisory, and I'm walking from Union Station. So glad I didn't have to get stuck in that traffic. Interesting AI conference. My takeaways from this is, number one, AI ain't going nowhere. It's here to stay. Number two, we are responsible for teaching our students how to function in a society that is going to be AI based. It just keeps evolving, even from day to day, or week to week, month to month. There's evolution and constant change and increase in AI use and functionality. Number three, the use of AI can create discrimination amongst students. AI can create an environment where discrimination can occur against students, specifically non-native English speakers, going into the educational system, specifically college, university settings, post-secondary education. AI, clearly there are lots of concerns, lots of benefits, but ethics is a major one, especially in education, and so those are concerns that need to be addressed. But it was an informative, interesting conference by Anthology, which is linked into Blackboard, which is a learning management system used by some colleges and universities. I met a lot of interesting individuals. I had some awesome conversations. We had a panel that we got to listen to 3 professionals, one of them being from my school, so that was exciting. And a lot of engagement, a lot of interaction, a lot of exchange of ideas, which is always awesome and beneficial to everybody, but I love the takeaways from that as well. So thumbs up. My trip to Chicago was a success.